So Google just dropped something that might change everything, and almost nobody has noticed yet. I've spent the last 2 days deep testing this new AI tool hidden inside Google Gemini, and what it can create feels borderline unreal. Pixar-level characters, consistent across pages, full storybooks, and digital products generated in minutes. If people figure this out, this side hustle is going to explode. So before it blows up, let me show you exactly how I built the product, the website, and the marketing system, all powered by Google AI. Watch carefully. The next 20 seconds are the most important. The tool that changes everything. Okay, the AI we're using today is part of Google's newest Gemini update. It has a feature people are calling Nano Banana. And trust me, it's bananas.
It's a banana! Next to a banana!
This thing can turn any child's photo into a Pixar-style character. It keeps the facial features, it keeps the hairstyle, and this is the crazy part, it stays consistent across every page of a storybook. It uses images, generates environments, creates fake backgrounds, and can build full digital products from scratch. This is the type of tool people are going to build entire businesses around. The side hustle, personalized children's books. We're using this AI to create personalized children's ebooks, one of the fastest growing digital products online. People already pay $20 to $40 for these, but most creators do it manually and it takes hours. With Google AI, we can create a Disney quality book in minutes. Step 1, create the character. First step, we need a photo of the child. When a parent buys your book, they send you one. Easy. Here's the exact prompt, and I'll drop this in the description. Pixar/Disney 3D. Keep facial features. Keep hair. Vibrant jungle background. Child as the main character. Watch this. Here's the original photo, and here's what Nano Banana generated. It looks identical, just animated. And again, the character stays consistent across every page. Step 2, create the cover. Next step, the book cover. I tell Gemini, create a children's book cover featuring child's name, Pixar-style, vibrant colors, and include me as the author. And in seconds, it generates something that looks like it belongs on a shelf at Target. Step 3, write the story automatically. Now we need the story and we're not writing anything ourselves. I asked Gemini, give me a 10-page story outline. Each page should include the scene description and the exact text. Boom, done. Then I take each page, copy that into Gemini with my prompt template, and the AI builds every single page with our character in it. Look how clean this looks. Step 4, build the book in Canva. Download all your images and head to Canva. Search Kids Book Template. Match your page size. Drag and drop each AI-generated page. Remove extras. Export as PDF. And in under 5 minutes, your full children's book is ready. Step 5, build the website. Fast. Now listen, digital products don't make money sitting on your computer. You need a system where people can buy instantly. I recommend using Hostinger because their AI builder literally creates the entire website for you. Pick the business plan, enter your brand name, give it a short description, hit create website. In under 30 seconds, your full site is done. Store included. Upload sample pages, name your product, set your price, describe the process, and connect PayPal plus Stripe. Your shop is live. Step 6, the marketing that makes sales. All right, here's the part no one teaches. How do you actually get customers? We're using another Google AI tool called V3. It creates viral TikTok videos using AI-generated influencers, all from a single prompt. Here's what I used. A mom and her child, holding the personalized book. Kid says, wow, this book was made just for me. Cozy lighting, Pixar color style, uplifting music. In about 30 seconds, V3 generated a perfect TikTok-style ad.
Wow, this book was made just for me.
Post these daily on TikTok, add your site link, and let the algorithm do the rest. I used this exact strategy. And I got monetized on TikTok in under 5 days. You now have everything you need. The product, the website, the marketing system, and AI doing 90% of the work. Watching this video won't make you money. Executing will. Like the video, drop a comment, and check the description for all the prompts. I'll see you in the next one. We out. Peace.